Good morning to everyone present here, respected coordinators, teachers, juniors, seniors, and my dear friends. It's me, Aaditya Nepal from grade 9A1, here to report you the news. So let's go to the national news. House of Representatives meeting postponed to Friday. The meeting of the House of the Representatives, originally scheduled for Thursday, has been postponed by a day and will now be held on Friday. Nepal imports 10,845 EVs worth rupees 25.55 billion in 11 months. Nepal imported 10,845 electric vehicles worth rupees 25.55 billion during the first 11 months of the current fiscal year, according to the Department of Customs. Palpa farmers swap chemical fertilizer for an old ally, Doincha. Faced with fertilizer shortages and rising costs, farmers in Palpa are turning into Doincha, a green manure crop, to keep their soil fertile ahead of the paddy season. Now with the international news, power outages hit France as record heat wave set to peak. About 68,000 homes in Brittany has been affected with electricity unlikely to be fully restored until Wednesday night. UN nuclear chief says inspector will visit Iran sites as part of the war deal. The head of the global nuclear watchdog has said it will carry out inspections in Iran under the country's preliminary peace agreement with the US. Israeli attacks killed 2 in South Lebanon despite ongoing Washington talks. Israeli defense minister says troop won't withdraw from southern Lebanon as attacks slow but do not stop. Now, going on to sports news. Portugal has made a comeback in the World Cup 2026 as Ronaldo scored a brilliant brace to set up a number of FIFA World Cup records and get Portugal campaigns up and running. The final score was Portugal 5, Uzbekistan 0, as Ronaldo, Nuno Mendes and Rafael Leao scored against the Uzbeks, scoring 4 goals with an own goal of Nematov. On to the weather forecasting. Today is Thursday, so light rain is expected. Everyone grab an umbrella before you go outside just in case it happens. The highest temperature is expected to be 28 degrees Celsius and the lowest is expected to be 21 degrees Celsius. The thought of the day is small efforts made today create the foundation of tomorrow's greatest achievements. It means every small step you make can make a big impact in the future. The word of the day is estival, E-S-T-I-V-A-L. It is an adjective that means relating to or happening during the summer. I repeat, estival, E-S-T-I-V-A-L. It is an adjective that means relating to or happening during the summer. Thank you and have a nice day.